In this video, we will learn about invoices. First, from the home page, you need to click on the invoice icon and this page will pop up. First, we'll create sales invoice. You need to select the company ID, click on create and then select the name of the buyer. Once you select the name, address, GST number and the place of supply will automatically be populated. The invoice number will automatically be generated. However, you can change the invoice number, but the year and the company ID will remain the same. Here you can put the date of the invoice. You can put any payment due date if there are any. You can put the buyer's order number if there is any order date. You can put the transportation details here. Say the order is being transported by flight. You can put the flight number. For shipping details, if it is the same as the buyer, you need to tick this box and the details will automatically be populated here. To add the items in the invoice, you need to click on this add button and this page will pop up. You have to select the item group, select the item details. You can put the quantity. You can put the rate here as necessary. You can put the discount if you want to provide any. There is a calculator here which will help you calculate the net amount excluding GST. Say the initial amount including GST is 400 and the GST percentage is 5%. So if you check on this box, you'll receive the net excluding the GST. If you click on OK, it will automatically be taken here in the rate box. You need to click on OK. If you want to add another item, go to the same add button and the same window will pop up. You need to add the items here. Change the rate if you want to, or you can keep it the same. Add any discount amount if you want. Just click on OK. If any payment has been received, you can click there and put a note here and update the payment here. And just click on OK. There is a round off box here. If you click on this box, it will round off your payment to the nearest 0.5 digit. There are reverse charges. If you want to give any reverse charge, then click on yes. If not, then put on no. And then just save the entry. Please note that the mandatory boxes are marked with red asterisks. If you do not fill these boxes, then the system will not let you save this entry. The mandatory box has to be filled in order to save it. We have already saved it, so the system is saying that it has already been saved. We'll go to print preview. You need to select the color of the invoice that you want. You need to click on the document labels that you want. If you want to add any signature, you can tick on this checkbox or else just leave it. Click on OK. The system will take some time to generate the invoice. The document has been created. There are two invoices because we have selected two document label. And the system has created the invoice in the requested color that we have selected. We can also view the invoices that has been created for a particular period of time. Say I want to check for the month of March. So I'll just select the date range, select the buyer name for whom I am trying to find out, and then just click on search. I'll find out the invoices that has been created on this person's name. You can create a quotation on the same way that we have created the invoice. Just go on create, select the company ID, fill in the required details, and click on save. To export the quotation invoice details or the sales invoice details, you need to go into this tab export, select the date that you require the details for, and then just click on export. You need to save the file for any future reference. And we'll wait for the report to be generated. A Excel file will pop up with two tabs. One will have the invoice details, one will have the invoice paid details. We can also create the GST R1 return. So we'll go to the home page and click on this icon here. Select the beginning date of the particular month or the particular period and the end date of that period that you want to export the report for. Click on export. Save it for any future reference. And your report will be created with all the necessary details. Thank you. In case you have any future queries or further queries, get in touch with us.